Good morning, Emergent Literacy and Language Development students, graduate students. I'm excited that you guys are nearing the end of our course. We're just plugging right away, so midterms are now finally over. Congratulations. Most of you did very well on your midterm exam, so I'm very pleased at your progress thus far in the course. I wanted to touch base with you about this module that you are in currently, which is the audit. Module 7, you're looking at the audit and designing a literacy centers project. So I'm going to go ahead and enter Module 7. We're going to talk a little bit about the audit. Basically, the audit is a portfolio submission, a learning artifact that you will submit in this course. The purpose of this assignment is to give you an opportunity to draw some conclusions on your professional growth. I want you to go back and look at the blogs you've written, all the discussion boards you've written. You are going to analyze how you have progressed thus far. You're going to reflect on the themes of learning that we have been discussing as a group in our discussion boards, in our blog posts. And I want you to look back at your goals document, and look at your own performance. And so go back and reread those blog posts and those discussion boards in previous assignments. And I want you to take some time and write a reflection. You're going to take the document that's posted here there for you. I'm going to pull it up real fast. There's a rubric there as well that you can refer to, but you really want to reflect on your own personal growth. So how has your academic writing improved this semester? How has your discussion responses changed or improved? What effect has other perspectives from your other classmates? How did that affect your learning and your growth this semester? How have you contributed to the online learning community? Developing your blog is one big step toward that. And what have you learned this semester from this course specifically that you can take with you as you grow professionally in your career? So this Word document that is posted here, let me pull it up. There's a rubric that I really want you to look at. And this rubric kind of walks through what I'm looking at. So make sure that you pull that up and read through that before you submit your response, which is due on Monday. The second piece you're going to do is you're going to design a literacy center project and a blog reflection on this so that you can post your idea and share it with the world. So the purpose of this activity is to give you an opportunity to design your classroom and reflects the emergency literacy environment. As you plan your literacy center, you're going to reflect on the activities and procedures you will provide to other teachers and other stakeholders to provide authenticity, I cannot say that today, meaning, orientation, collaboration, apprenticeship, and individuality. So this you will start with a Word document, but it will eventually move. And I'd like for you to save your Word document because you might want to use this for a grant application. That might be something that, or to share with your principal. But I also want you to put this on your blog as well. So you're going to have 10 centers. Some of these can be permanent centers. Others might be temporary. And there are some questions for you to kind of read through as you plan this. And pictures are always nice. Pictures, maybe you can find some examples, on the web. So this will require some research. So I encourage you to use a research-based approach as you begin designing the literacy centers. And that is not due until the following week. So you have a little bit of time there, but I wanted to post a video to kind of walk you through that. So student November 2nd. Okay, please email me if you have any questions, and I look forward to reading your blogs. Have a great day.